Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Krita tutorial how to make black and white. We have this colorful image, and if you want to make black and white, you can go to filter, click on adjust, and then in there we can use ASV adjustment to be sure for the dialog box, and then you can sort the saturation into white, click into here to be going into black and white, and then you can set blackness at this point. You done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Krita tutorial how to make black and white. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.